Hello everyone, my name is Marie with Connect and I am back with another Kakao video. In today's video, we'll be talking about how to use Kakao Pay. And Kakao Pay is a very useful feature on the Kakao Talk app in which you can send or receive money or even pay in stores like convenience stores or pay your gas bill. We'll go over how to set it up with your Korean phone number, your Korean address, and your Korean bank account, and then we'll show you how to use the app, how to send and receive money, and how to pay bills or in convenience stores. Let's get started. Let's start by opening up Kakao Talk, and then at the bottom you'll click on the three dots, and that brings you to this screen. You can see that my Kakao Pay is already set up, but I'm gonna go through all the steps on how you can set up your Kakao Pay account. So if you haven't set up Kakao Pay before, this is the screen that you'll see. You'll see a black square and on top of that it says 01. So click on that and that will take you through the setup process. You'll come to this screen and you'll click on the yellow button at the bottom and then you'll have to agree to all the terms and conditions. So click that. And then next step is verifying your phone number. To set up Kakao Pay, you need to be in Korea, have a Korean address, a Korean bank account, and have a Korean phone number. Otherwise, it won't work. So you start by filling out your name and make sure that your name is written the same as it is written on your phone bill. So capitals are important. If you have filled in your name, continue by filling in your registration number, and you can find this number at the front of your ARC, Alien Registration Card. Then you'll have to fill in your phone number, but first you have to click on which provider you are with. So pick your provider, then fill in your phone number, and you'll receive a verification text message with a code, and that code you'll have to fill in before you can continue. Now you have filled in your phone number. Next is create a password. So fill in 6 numbers and you'll have to do that 2 times. Okay, and then click again on the black square. Now first pick the country you are from. So on the drop down menu you can find your country, and if it's not on the list you can just search for it typing in Korean. And then under that you'll have to fill in your home address. If you have filled in your home address you can add a detailed version and then submit, and we'll go to the next step. There you click on yeah or yes, because you will be using your own funds, and then submit. Okay, so now you have to attach your bank account. Pick which bank you are with and then fill in the number of your bank. You'll find this number in your bank book. Then you'll go through the next step, which is verification. You'll have to go into the bank account that you just added, find the 1-1 deposit, copy that name that deposited the 1-1 into your account and fill it in there. Then the next step is you'll receive a number. Then you're gonna receive a phone call, all in Korean, and after the silence or after the information, you'll have to type this number. And then it will automatically hang up and verify your phone number and bank account. Now, all this is verified, and at the bottom you can add a nickname for your bank. So fill that in if you want, and then you'll submit. And that's it. Now you have set up Kakao Pay. Now we're gonna show you how to use Kakao Pay and send money to friends. So you have to go into a chat, and at the bottom it will show you a couple of options, and you'll have to click on Kakao Money. And then you again have 4 options: send money, send a voucher, split equally. So if you want to send money, you click on send money. Then you have to type the amount. It will do a facial recognition, or you'll have to fill in your password, and then it has sent money. So now you can see that person has received it, but they still have to claim it. Once they claimed the money, you will see this kind of notification. And then when you receive money, you also need to claim the amount. Otherwise, this will not be added to your Kakao Pay account. So you can see you receive money, and then at the bottom, there's a gray button. You click on that gray button, and this means that you have claimed the money. If you do not claim the money after a certain amount of days, this will go back to the sender. With Kakao Pay, you can also scan QR codes in stores or on your gas bill. So click on the scanning function and just scan the QR code. And then if it's a gas bill or electricity bill, it will automatically load the amount you are due and you just press on send money. If you're in a store, you'll have to manually input the amount and then send it to the store. Well, I hope this video was useful for you and you learned something new about how to use Kakao Talk with Kakao Pay. If you have any questions or if things weren't really clear, just let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because we will be back with more Korea content. Bye!